Okay, this is the part that was smoking right here. And if you look carefully down in, you can see that the belt is off right here. If you can see it. Right down in there. It smells hot, and it was smoking when I turned the car off. I don't see anything else wrong in there.